Hi everyone, in this quick video I am going to show how to request for a demo. So if you are interested in any of these services and if you would like to request for a demo, all you need to do is you need to click on request demo here. You see this desktop as a service. So you need to click on request demo. So once you click on it, it will take you to a screen where you need to enter your details. So these are the details that you need to mention: first name, last name, work email, company, and your job title, the country that you're located, and your phone number. So if you are working in some organization and if you have been given some task to, you know, request a demo before implementing desktop as a service, you can follow these steps. And once you request for a demo, somebody from Citrix is going to contact you. It says get expert guidance and answers to your most pressing questions. See how to address evolving employee needs and provide a better way to work. So once you mention these details, once you request for a demo, you will be contacted and you can share your requirement with the Citrix support or Citrix sales team, and they're going to take things forward. They're going to guide you in a better way. So this is how you need to request for a demo. So it says schedule a one-to-one expert led demo today. All right, so this is how you need to request for a demo. You can follow the same steps for any of the services. So I have shown you for desktop as a service. You can follow the same steps for any of the services. I really hope you find this short video helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.